If you are looking for a great digital camera, you're absolutely going to love this one. You can shoot in 4K, which is awesome. You got this 16x zoom, you got a 2.8-inch screen, a self-timer, built-in flash, really easy to use. This is exactly what it looks like right here. Really nice, light, but also a really good, solid, sturdy build, not made out of cheap materials, which I personally really like. It comes with a 128 memory card right here. So you'll see right here, this is what the screen looks like. Picture is super clear. You'll see it's kind of getting me right there. Really easy to go back and forth. To go back and forth, you're going to hit this menu button right here. You'll see here it's in the camera mode. And then when you go hit that, it is now just camera. The other one was video. So really cool. Camera, you could zoom in, you could zoom out. Just works really well. It comes with a strap. Comes with really useful instruction guide as well. And again, just really easy to use. Even has a mount down here, so if you want to put it in a tripod, makes it super easy. If you're looking for a great camera to get your journey started, or you just want another camera that's easy to use, capture nice footage with, definitely check this out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.